Okay, welcome guys to our YouTube channel. Today will be dealing with our first tutorial, which is on SPSS and SPSS data analysis. So SPSS is a short form for statistical package for social sciences. It's used by various kind of researchers for complete statistical data analysis. This SPSS software package was created for the management and statistical analysis of social science data. It was originally launched in 1968 by SPSS Inc. and was later acquired by IBM in 2009. Some of the core functions of SPSS include it's a statistics program. So as a statistics program, it provides a plethora of basic statistical functions, some of which include the frequencies, bivariate statistics, cross tabulations, descriptive statistics, you can name them. It also has a modeler program. So as a modeler program, it enables researchers to build and validate predictive models using advanced statistical procedures. It's also used for text analytics, for survey programs, the extensions in the SPSS program that allows you to perform text analytics. It's also used as a visualization designer, among many other things. Today I just want to provide a general overview of what we'll be dealing with time, and this being our first tutorial, the tutorials after this will be looking at descriptive analytics in SPSS. We'll be looking at how you can perform cross tabulation, chi-square tests. You can look at how you can perform logistic regressions, multilinear regression, simple linear regression. You can name them. A lot of functions that SPSS provides. Our tutorials will provide them, so you can trust us to take you through the entire process of data analysis using SPSS just by following our videos and doing some practice. So today I want to provide a general overview of the SPSS program. First, you can download the SPSS program from its main download site. That's the SPSS Trials IBM site, and as you can see here, there are various SPSS trials that you can download and try the SPSS statistics. This is one that we're using. I leave out the modeler one, so you can download the SPSS statistics for free, and you can use it for like a month. Or rather, you can download a cracked version, of which I will share a link in the description of this video. So I don't I'm assuming that you have SPSS installed in your machine. So what I'm going to do directly is that I'm going to provide a brief on how the SPSS program looks like. So when opening an SPSS program, it looks like this. First let me open a new data. Yeah, this is how it will look. This is how it looks. You can see we have the data view, we have the variable view, and you can see we have the file where you can start create a new data syntax output script, open an existing data set, read text data. We have edit, not with a lot of functionalities. We got the view, we have the data, and we have transform, analyze. Analyze, I think this is the most part that we use a lot of times, because you can see there the reports, descriptive statistics. Here you can see tables, custom tables, multi-response sets, comparing with means one sample t-test, independent sample t-test, paired sample t-test. We have the general linear model, generalized linear models, mixed models, and a lot of them, regressions, log linear neural networks, classification, k-means clustering, among others. So SPSS is actually a widely used software statistics program in analyzing, and most companies at the moment are using SPSS because it's easy to learn and it's also easy to use. So it does not take much time for the companies to train their employees on how to use SPSS. So it's a good thing that you made a decision that you wanna be a data analyst and using SPSS, and I think this is the right platform for you to have that knowledge on how to do these things. So So it's my request today that subscribe to our YouTube channel, and many videos will be coming, and from tomorrow many videos will be coming.